Imagine a tiny screen that comes to life the moment you send a message from your phone. No wires, no hassle, just instant wireless magic. Ever wished you could update a display with a scrolling message, a live status, or even a fun note to your desk without touching a single wire after setup? Today, I'll show you exactly how to make that possible using a simple ESP8266 microcontroller and a compact OLED display. We'll transform this tiny board into a powerful web server that lets you send text, clear the screen, and even fetch its IP address, all from your phone or computer. We'll start with the components: the NodeMCU ESP8266, a Wi-Fi-enabled microcontroller that's both cheap and powerful, and a 0.96-inch I2C OLED display, which connects with just 4 wires and delivers crisp, high-contrast visuals. Then, inside the Arduino IDE, we'll set up the environment with the ESP8266 board package and key libraries, Adafruit SSD1306, Adafruit GFX, and ESP8266 WebServer, that will handle both the display and the web functionality. Once the code is written and uploaded, it's time for the exciting part, the live demo. The ESP8266 prints its IP address. We open it on a phone, and with a single tap we can display any text instantly, clear the screen, or confirm the IP again. To make replication easy, I'll also show you the full circuit diagram connecting the ESP8266 to the OLED so you can build your own version at home. Whether you want to display reminders, live weather, stock prices, or just fun custom messages, this project opens the door to endless possibilities, and it all starts with a tiny chip and a bright little screen.